You know what's cool is over a period of time you learn that there is a point in time when trading that you can really start to see and be confident in what you're doing
Mm-hmm.
and just say what the hell, just do it.
Get in.
Uh,
Yep.
yeah, that comes over a period or a course of time, of obviously trading and screen time and practicing and going through it, but it gets to that point where it's like, you know what, I can really see what's going on. Let me go ahead and put my risk on there,
Mm-hmm.
and just let it run.
Yep.
So, the cool part is like sometimes, you know how some people say you gotta have like a set stop and stuff? Sometimes I have two, sometimes I have three, sometimes I'll even have more. That's how confident I am in the trade. Sometimes I'll have like, I think I've went as high as like maybe a 5 or 6 point stop. Just depends. But I mean, that's not something I'm saying you should do. I'm just saying when you get confident in what the market's trying to do, where it's trying to go, it just becomes easier to allow yourself to just let the trade run its course. Especially when you see how we saw that breakdown of that micro level, know where it's going based off of what's happening. Not, oh, it might do this, or I don't know, it feels a little bit risky. No, you just know, you know?
Yep.
Yep.
No. Yep. And then when you know where it's going to go, it's even better. And you're all going to get there. We will make
Ooh,
sure of that.
Hmm.
I can't wait.
Yep.
It takes a little bit of time, but you're asking the right questions. I
Mm-hmm.
think it's pretty cool because when you ask the questions as you see price action develop, that's when you start to learn. That's when you start to see and you're like, oh, okay, now it kind of makes sense why this would have been a good area to go long or kind of breaking that down. As you trade, you also want to know where you enter and where you're looking to exit. So, always reasons behind that as well.